In the building supply space, there's a number of challenges that customers face that we typically help solve for. First and foremost, building supply is a highly competitive industry. People can get shingles from anywhere, but they want to get the product from the building supply distributor that shows up on time, delivers in full, so that their job crews that are on site waiting for the materials can count on them to show up. One thing I didn't appreciate when I first started at Descartes, a single route with 8 stops can be run in over 43,000 different combinations, and only one of them is the most efficient. So it's a very complicated puzzle, and that complexity scales dramatically as you add multiple trucks and multiple routes and multiple branches. To ask a router to solve that problem every day and to find the most efficient path for you to make your deliveries is asking a lot. So we empower customers with tools where in 5 minutes or less, they can hit a button, it builds the most efficient routes possible.
Before Descartes, we were going strictly off of paperwork and looking at visual maps on the board, looking at whiteboards. So the difference for us is a lot more efficient and faster to create those routes and end up, saving us more time creating more deliveries in a day.
The use of the technology has really exceeded the expectation. When we're looking at planning routes, how many deliveries can we get in a day? Is that an acceptable time frame? So using Descartes to plan out minute by minute where that truck is going to be, even through breaks and fuel stops, so that we can squeeze in one more delivery for a customer that may need something. We'll look at the live view in the routes to track our drivers. So if we did have a customer that is looking for a delivery within a specific time frame, we're able to check that delivery out to give the customer a more accurate information, whether there was a delay at a previous stop or we had an issue on the road. We are using that technology to better inform our customers of any delays if one does occur.
We are seeing customer satisfaction, customer visibility. They know exactly where their delivery is, when it's going to be there, and what we actually delivered. That was the most important for us, and we've achieved that goal.